I'm so confused. If you look at the riots video, the London riot looting thing, why is everyone saying that well? Like, I know the meaning, the general meaning, but like, I don't understand in this context. Like, what does it mean?
If you see this or this in the comments, know that it's a dog whistle to me. Here's why things like this keep happening. The phrases well, and like a moth to a flame are being used by anti-Semites and racists to harass Jewish and Black creators on TikTok. According to Sarah Arniano, a disinformation analyst with the ADL Center on Extremism, marginalized creators' comment sections are being flooded with these terms, along with hurtful videos that promote stereotypes. Since these phrases are pretty innocuous, they likely won't be picked up by content moderation systems, and that's a common practice with online bigots. Using hashtags, words, or phrases that are otherwise inoffensive as a dog whistle to other extremists. It also makes it difficult for users to fight back, as it's harder to prove the phrases are being used in a hateful way. As Aniano points out, unfortunately, this isn't the first time this has happened, and it won't be the last. Aniano advises people to stay alert to these trends, and be aware when a seemingly simple comment might have more than one meaning.
Alright guys, so we gotta respond to this TikTok from this woke white savior by the name of Hyram. Now, Hyram has like 6 million followers. Okay, so this isn't just some.
So well, it's hateful now. I didn't heard it all, bro. I didn't heard it all. It's a new thing that every day another word is another every day another thing is seen as hateful, odious, discriminatory, racist, bigoted, crappy, trash. Bruh, that's crazy, bruh. Indubitably.
Alright guys, so we gotta respond to this TikTok from this woke white savior by the name of Hyram. Now,
never heard
Hyram
of him.
has like 6 million followers. Okay, so this isn't just some random dude on the internet,
big
just saying a bunch of woke stuff, just be saying woke stuff.
Influencer.
This guy has quite a following, right? As a woke influencer, and he is disturbed by this racist dog whistle trend of white people saying well to Black people. Right? And he sounded the alarm on it. And I want to respond to it because this right here again is just another example of how it's wild. Apparently, if you're white, you can't say anything to a Black person without being accused of some form of bigotry. I just did a video the other day about a Black woman getting upset with somebody complimenting her hair. Right? But because she changes her
any dissenting opinion that a white person has, opinion that a white person has is automatically bigoted, prejudicial, castigatory. Bruh, the softies, bruh, they gotta stop. They gotta stop the over emotionality, bruh. They gotta stop the over emotionality. They gotta stop the over emotionality.